Gondor chocolate, drip production line. Melt cocoa mass or cocoa butter. Steady 50 degrees Celsius water temp in the middle layer. Grind granulated sugar into fine powder. Precise control of grinding fineness. Improve the taste and quality of the finished product. Fine grinding the chocolate slurry. Features cooling, heating and insulation capabilities. Continuous temperature regulation. Gloss the surface of chocolate. Slurry accurately dripped on conveyor belt. Uniform molding and efficient production. Used for packaging finished chocolate. Consistent seal and neat appearance. Finished product display. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability.